We have a new game now, and it's called Who Can Spot the Most Burners on the Road? So it's our last day. We just woke up on National Forest land. We're just south of Crater Lake, and I made a breakfast made of the rest of our eggs that we had. So this is our 10th day of being on the road. We have a new game now, and it's called Who Can Spot the Most Burners on the Road? Eric, tell them about the game.
Well, it's pretty easy because we're on a...
Burner!
Because it's Monday, the day after Burning Man, and everyone's going home, and we're on one of the main arteries leading up to like the Pacific Northwest, I guess, even though we're out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
But I'd say probably 75% of the cars that we pass going the opposite direction of us are burners with bicycles stacked on their car and playa dust all over.
Yeah, it's the playa dust that really gives it away. Every now and then you'll see a car that doesn't have playa dust because they must have stopped in those long lines that people always go to wash their cars right after. But you can never get all of the playa dust off, so you can still kind of tell, or it's still on their like bicycles or luggage racks or something. Burner. Not a burner.
Not a burner.
Burner, definitely. Burner.
Definitely a burner. Burner.
Yeah, that's a burner.
Definitely.
Definitely a burner.
We're just talking about one direction here. This is all the northbound. There went one, another one. Northbound. I mean, there's still everyone going back to the Bay Area, to California, everyone going south to LA down 395.
Yeah, this is probably
like,
less.
Yeah, this is probably like
the
the least amount of people going this way. So it just kind of puts it in perspective how big of an event that actually is. A lot of burners drive U-Hauls.
Yeah.
And I don't quite understand, like, are they actually setting up the back of the U-Haul into like a little mini house apartment? Like, I don't know.
It could be that, I think what some of them do is that they're bringing stuff for their camp. So they're not in charge of the sleeping arrangements, or could be someone else that's in charge of it.
Stuff.
Or maybe they're bringing their tents or something, but yeah, they're carrying some of the other stuff that's needed for the camp. I think that's why the U-Hauls are so popular. Maybe if there's any burners watching this, you can like enlighten us and let us know.
Yeah.
Because it'd be
What's the
interesting.
deal?
Burner. It's always bittersweet getting back to reality, I guess, in leaving our vacation, but at the same time we're really excited to see our dogs again, sleep in our regular bed, and take a normal shower. So it sure is beautiful here. There is a bit of smoke out still, which I imagine is from the car fire or one of the other numerous fires burning up in these parts, but it's still very pretty. Burner. I'm just kidding, I didn't film that. Oh, I did film